friends, it is so good to be with you again today at the harbor. We have so many things to talk about this morning, and we're so thankful to the many volunteers who 2 weekends ago, a total of 27 volunteers came, many of whom had never touched a piece of insulation in their lives and did an incredible job. The Richland County inspector came in last week and he gave us a pass. In other words, he passed our installation. So that's cool. That same weekend, a group of 4 guys was working outside on our fence, and phase 1 of our privacy fence installation is done. Last week we had our sidewalks poured, our concrete sidewalks poured, that's out front. And so much is going on. Electrical rough-in is done, sheetrock is next. So the next time we do an update, you should be able to see sheetrock walls. So thanks for your continued prayers, and we'll update you soon.